So cancer has been called the emperor of all diseases. It's been known since ancient times, and for all of human history, it's been known as an exceptionally deadly killer. No matter how much medical technology we invent or how many miracle drugs Big Pharma claims to roll out, cancer seems to continue to kill people in droves and never goes away. So is that because the disease is just really hard to defeat? Or is it because we were lied to about what cancer itself is? Cancer, we're told, is the uncontrolled growth of the body's own cells. The cells of your lungs or of your liver or of your brain, they just grow out of control, and then you get tumors, and eventually those tumors kill you. Well, what if that's all BS? What if cancer isn't really explosive cell growth at all? What if it's something completely different? Decades ago, German medical doctor Alfons Weber theorized that the real cause of cancer is from infection by a microparasite. So it's the growth of these microparasites, according to him, and the growth of their egg sacs that causes the bodily damage associated with cancer, he argued. So if this theory is true, then literally everything that we know about cancer is completely wrong. And that would explain why our treatments are so totally ineffective. No matter how profitable they are for Big Pharma, they don't cure cancer.
You know, you've nailed it, in my opinion, is that that's one of the things that I stumbled across during COVID. You know, I started out just trying to understand because I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm not a virologist or anything. So I started just studying everything as I got cancel cultured for talking about masks. So I started studying everything, and I suddenly stumbled across those German guys. And I said, wait a minute. And there were things showing up on the internet showing literally pictures of cancer cells with these microparasites. You could actually see them as they broke out.
These things take over your body. And they will defecate inside of you. They vomit inside of you. They eat all of the things that are good for you. And then they leave behind all of the poisons and toxins that are bad for you. It's basically an alien invasion of your body. Is that right?
That is right. And actually, that may be truer than you know when you say alien invasion. I mean, are these things natural? You know, I will say that in the big picture,
are you suggesting that there's like lab-grown parasites that are intentionally released into our food and into the things that we consume in order to infiltrate our body? Do you really think that our government would do that to us?
Yeah, and it's not just our government. When they said there's a new virus breaking out and spreading around Wuhan that's killing people, they told you the truth, but they told it in the old tongue. Virus in Latin means poison. So these, you know, Hippocrates wrote in the Oath of Hippocrates, why did he write in there that that I will not poison anybody and I will not be paid by somebody else to poison somebody? That's literally in the Hippocratic Oath. Now, if it weren't a problem, it wouldn't be in there. It was a moral problem because people know who's the better to kill people stealthily through poisons than doctors. You know, ancient medicine only did two things. They get right with God. That's why they had temples where the medical doctors practice, and detoxify yourself. So I think when we look at what really causes disease, now we can think about not only toxins and not only, you still need to get right with God, but now we have parasites, we have EMF toxicity, and we have nutritional deficiencies. Yeah. 5 things. I am going to predict to you that we don't find too many other root causes. We need to start looking at those things and not letting us play disease, what I call disease whack-a-mole. We go from, remember how they tried to convince us, oh, now it's monkeypox.
Yeah.
Next it's going to be Marburg.
Yeah.
Next it's going to be, yeah. It's all nonsense, people. We have to stop looking. We don't let them play disease whack-a-mole on us anymore. Don't keep running around. That's fear. And when they're desperate, we're winning because now they're breaking out in wars. It's all the same structure. It's the same people. They're dividing us along every line they can use to divide us. When we realize it's really humanity against the uber parasites, it's over.